So friends, let us see some important points. First one, sudden decline of body temperature of a fever patient is known as crisis, whereas gradual decrease of body temperature in a zigzag manner is known as lysis. Sudden decline is known as crisis and gradual decrease of body temperature is known as lysis. Next one, yellowish white colored part located at the lateral wall of vaginal opening is greater vestibular gland. Greater vestibular gland. Next one, riboflavin or vitamin B2 is sensitive to light, so that we should keep away from the light. Next, vitamin C is heat unstable vitamin, so cooking will destroy vitamin C. Seventh point, role play is the method to give awareness for rural population. That is, the role play is the best method to give awareness for rural population. Next point is from administration. That is, budget is the heart of administrative management. Next, total weight gain during pregnancy is 11 to 12 kg. The test used to assess lung maturity in fetus is shake test. Meaning of the term community is to serve together. Community term means to serve together. The main cause of nutritional blindness in toddler is keratomalacia, that is vitamin A deficiency. Puerperium is a period of 6 weeks after delivery. Puerperal period means the period after 6 weeks of delivery. The uterus reaches to the level of umbilicus at the 22nd weeks of gestation. Next one, World Tuberculosis Day is March 24. Calcium hydroxide is used to remove temporary hardness of water, and this procedure is known as Clark's procedure. 17th one, MTPA Act established in the year 1971. That is the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act established in the year 1971. Increased thirst is the first sign of dehydration in children. 19th one, height of enema can is 45 centimeter. In inches, 18 inch. As we discussed earlier, Clark's procedure or adding of calcium hydroxide is used to remove temporary hardness of water. That procedure is known as Clark's procedure. Blood salvage. Blood salvage is a method of blood administration in which the blood is collected from the surgical site of the patient and re-administered to the patient after filtration. After a treatment, the same blood that we collected from surgical site is re-administered to the patient. The joints which allow rotation is known as pivot joint. These type of joints are seen at the top of spinal column in between atlas and axis. World Health Day theme 2020 is Support Nurses and Midwife. 26th one, World Blood Donation Day is June 14. World Health Day theme 2020 is support nurses and midwife. 27th one, number of bones in newborn is 307. Then total number of lobes in placenta, 20 lobes. There are 20 lobes in placenta. Hayes test. Hayes test is used to find out the presence of bile in urine. Swollen cervical lymph node is the early sign of Hodgkin's disease. Next one, Bohr Committee is otherwise known as Health Survey and Development Committee. It is established in the year 1946. Health Survey and Development Committee. Whereas Mudaliar Committee is otherwise known as Health Survey and Planning Committee in the year 1962. Horner's syndrome. It is a condition in which the lung tumor invades the ribs. That is, the tumor of the lung will metastasis to ribs. This condition is known as Horner's syndrome. The nodes seen in distal interphalangeal joints in osteoarthritis patients are known as Heberden's nodes. Heberden's nodes seen in osteoarthritis patient. The structural and functional unit of a living organism is cell, and the cell structure is defined by Floyd-Morse theory. Four chambers of heart developed in 6th week of gestation. During the 6th weeks of gestation, the 4 chambers of heart will develop. The apex of the heart is made by left ventricle. Simmons disease. It is the hyposecretion of anterior pituitary due to the atrophy of pituitary gland. Simmons disease is the hyposecretion of anterior pituitary due to atrophy of pituitary gland. Next one, ADH hormone. The function of ADH hormone is retains water from kidney in distal convoluted tubules and collecting duct. Hypersecretion of ADH known as SIADH, that is syndrome of increased ADH, and hyposecretion of ADH is known as diabetes insipidus. Next one, autoimmune destruction of thyroid gland is Hashimoto's disease. Hashimoto's disease is the autoimmune destruction of thyroid gland, and the autoimmune destruction of adrenal gland is known as Addison's disease. Normal osmolality of blood is 290 milliosmol per liter. 290 milliosmol per liter. Higher acuity of vision or area of sharpest vision is in fovea centralis. Next one, pupils of the eyes have the power to accommodate light, whereas iris regulate the amount of light entering into the eyeball. Iris will regulate the amount of light entering into the eyeball. Next, protein energy malnutrition in children is classified based on Gomez classification. That is, PEM classification is based on Gomez classification. Indian Red Cross Society is in the year 1920. Next one, window period of HIV is 3 to 12 weeks or 3 months. Window period means is the period to determine the presence of infection. Next one, Dressler's syndrome. It is a post-MI syndrome characterized by chest pain, pericarditis, fever and leukocytosis. Total number of muscles in human body is 639. Blood is known as the river of life. Skin is the largest organ in the body with a total area of 22 square feet. It is the largest organ with the area of 22 square feet. Total number of chromosomes in human body is 23 pair or 46 in number. Pituitary gland is known as the master gland. Pituitary gland is known as the master gland and it is the endocrine gland. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days and in children it is 80 days. In adult 120 days and in children 80 days. Ovum is the largest cell in human with a diameter of 20 millimeter. The largest cell in human is female ovum with a diameter of 20 millimeter. Lysosomes are known as the suicidal bags because it contains hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes have phagocytic action. Hydrolytic enzymes have phagocytic action. So, lysosomes are known as suicidal bags. Diarrhea leads to metabolic acidosis, whereas vomiting causes metabolic alkalosis. That is, the patient have chronic diarrhea, we can expect metabolic acidosis, but one of the cause for metabolic alkalosis is vomiting. Vomiting cause metabolic alkalosis, diarrhea cause metabolic acidosis. Next we can see about amino acids. There are total 21 amino acids in which 9 are essential that the body needs from outside, which include leucine, isoleucine, lysine, tryptophan, threonine, methionine, phenylalanine, valine and histidine. These amino acids need from outside, that is from the food. Next we can see some normal values. Central venous pressure normal is 3 to 8 mm of Hg. JVP, that is jugular venous pressure, is 6 to 8 mm of Hg. Portal venous pressure is 8 to 12 mm of Hg. Pulmonary artery pressure is 15 to 26 mm of Hg. Mean artery pressure is 60 to 70 mm of Hg. Portal venous pressure is 5 to 10 mm of Hg and intra-abdominal pressure normal range is 0 to 5 mm of Hg. So thank you friends for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.